Hello, here is a video how mid-career professionals can stay relevant in the age of AI. Let me ask you something. If AI can now write code, draft legal documents, analyze medical scans, design logos, and even pass professional examinations and do research for doctorate, where does that leave you? If you are a mid-career professional at the age of 35, 40, 45 or more with a family, responsibilities, EMI and career built over decades, what happens when AI becomes better, faster and cheaper than you? It is happening. Today, I am going to show you the real truth behind this disruption and a 6-step roadmap to stay relevant, valuable and future-proof in the age of AI. Let us describe the problem. Let us be honest, the fear is real. Everywhere you look, either LinkedIn, YouTube, WhatsApp, people are saying AI will replace doctors, AI will replace lawyers, AI will replace designers, AI will replace engineers, and with models like Claude Opus 4.6 and ChatGPT 5.3, the fear has only intensified. But here is the truth nobody is telling you. AI doesn't replace jobs, AI replaces tasks, and the people who refuse to adapt get replaced by those who do. Mid-career professionals are the most vulnerable because you are busy, you are overloaded, you are responsible for family and finances. You do not have the luxury of starting from zero, but you do have something very powerful, that is experience, judgment, emotional intelligence and ability to solve real problems. AI cannot replace that unless you let it. To remain future ready and relevant in the age of AI, ramification in all conceivable areas of life, here are the 6-step solution. Number 1, become AI augmented, not AI afraid. AI is not your competitor, AI is your co-pilot. Learn to use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Notion AI, Excel AI, and industry-specific AI tools. If you can use AI well, you become 10x more productive than average professionals. Step number 2, shift from task workers to problem solvers. AI can do all the tasks. Humans solve problems. The future belongs to people who can define problems, ask the right questions, make decisions, integrate multiple perspectives. This is where your years of experience becomes your superpower. Step number 3, build human skills which AI cannot replace. These are the skills that will never be automated, like empathy, leadership, negotiation, storytelling, creativity, emotional intelligence, and community building. These skills will make you irreplaceable. Step number 4, learn to work with AI, not against it. Every profession will have an AI layer. For doctors, AI diagnostics plus human judgment. For lawyers, AI research plus human strategy. For designers, AI drafts plus human test. For engineers, AI code plus human architecture. For teachers, AI content plus human mentorship. Become the person who knows how to combine both. Step number 5, build a personal brand and community. In a world where AI can produce infinite contents, people follow people, not machines. Your story, your voice, your authenticity, that is your USP. Step number 6, stay adaptable. Learn fast, unlearn faster. The half-life of skills is shrinking every day. What you learned 10 years ago is just outdated. The winners will be who are flexible, who are curious, who are experimental, and willing to reinvent themselves again and again. Adaptability is the new job security. Then This is the task. If you are a mid-career professional watching this, remember, AI is not the end of your relevance, it is the end of your resistance. The people who thrive in this new world are not the youngest, not the smartest, not the most technical. They are the ones who are flexible and choose to evolve. Comment AI ready below. I will DM you the link to join my community and come to my free webinar to learn more. And if you found this piece of video valuable, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs clarity, not fear. In this AI revolution, understand your future is not threatened, it is waiting for you for your quick action. Are you ready? If you are ready, then take immediate action.